Right guys, getting started on the clutch. So I'm just taking everything apart for now. Right guys, there's the new clutch. And there's the old one there. So as you can see, that was clearly, what would you say, long gone? So, yeah, well, it was a bit high anyway, so old one and new one. Should be driving nice soon. What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode on flipping cheap cars for big profits. In today's video, guys, we are back in the Ford Fiesta Edge, and guess what? Update from the last video I've done. We've had the clutch fitted, we've had the wing done, we've had everything has been done on this vehicle. Only thing that's remaining is to get an MOT, get the car cleaned, and what else do we need? Oh yeah, an update. The car got clamped because it was left on the road. The day I left it at the paint shop, I left it at my brother's house, so I parked it there, and next morning on a Saturday, got there, car was clamped. Really annoying, cost me £260 to get the clamp off. But if I get the car MOT'd and taxed within 15 days, I should get a refund of £160. So fingers crossed it flies for the MOT. Other than that, let's get out of the car, see exactly how the car's looking. It's looking perfect in my opinion. The paint looks really good. Just needs a polish, needs a good clean. Interior needs a nice wet vac. But you tell me what you think. So let me get out of the car and do a quick walk around. Right guys, have a look at what she's looking like now. As you can see, pretty nice now, looking all good. We just need to get the car cleaned. It's going to need a good polish. It's going to need a full detail. I mean, the bumpers never really match, but the bodywork, the paint is spot on. Bumpers on these cars always are slightly off. It's just a thing. It actually looks worse on camera for some reason, but this is where the damage was. As you can see, all the lines, everything is absolutely perfect. Door looks really good. Opens and closes as it should. We do have some scuffs there, so we've got a few things to do on the vehicle, but the vehicle itself, guys, absolutely filthy. So I'm going to go and get the car valeted right now, get a quick little valet done on it. Let's do a nice little walk around of the vehicle. I will use a heat gun and we will try and finesse that back into place, but she's looking good now. Everything's back to normal as it should. Few little touch-ups that we'll do once the car has all been cleaned up and polished. But first of all, have a look at that beauty. Brand new clutch, oil change, filter change, air filters all been done. Wings been replaced. As you can see, it's looking perfect. We just need to go and get it cleaned because, oh yeah, we need to get this polished out as well. So we need to go and get it clean because it's an absolute state and it's killing me driving this. I just feel really itchy just sitting in this car. So let's go and get it cleaned, and once it's all cleaned up, we can go and get an MOT and hopefully she passes the MOT. Right guys, getting the car cleaned. As you can see, nice little snow foam, absolutely disgusting in here. Just have a look at what this interior is looking like. Look at that. I mean, absolutely filthy. It's like mud everywhere. It's proper disgusting, man. Look at that. God, just need to get it completely clean. Right guys, the car has been all cleaned up. Really happy with what the car is looking like. I mean, the interior is definitely going to need a wet vac, so just ignore that side of things. I've just ordered some car mats from Euro car parts as well, so I need to go pick them up before going home. But let's get out of the car and have a look at the paint, because when I was outside and they was doing the interior, I was just looking at the paint, and the paint looks really good on the car. Once this car is polished, it should come out an absolute treat. So let me get out of the car, do a quick walk around, and you guys tell me what you think. Right guys, have a look at this. Now, I mean, we still need to get this off. This is just like as you can see, it comes off, so it's like just residue from some kind of tape from the outplate that was on the vehicle. But I mean, look at the paintwork. Once it's polished, it should come out really nice. There's a few things we obviously need to address, but the paint itself, I mean, could be worse. We will obviously sort this out with the heat gun, and that should solve the problem. Like I said, I do have some new wheel trims, so they are definitely going there, ugly as hell as well. Again, this is just residue from some kind of tape, so that will come off really well, and it should look perfect from the back. Let's do a little walk back on this side here and just look at that. Looking really good actually. So yeah, again we got some at the bottom here. That's just tape as well, still very sticky. We'll sort that out. But what do you think? Not bad. Looks like it's been polished already, but I mean clearly hasn't. So yeah, let's go and get it cleaned up. I've just been to the M&T station and they closed early today for some reason, so can't get an M&T today. But the day's not over. I'm going to drive home and we're going to get this interior completely cleaned, and then tomorrow's video I'll upload the content of me cleaning the car and going for an M&T, and we'll talk the numbers, what this car really cost me. I'll run through everything tonight, see exactly what I put in it, see exactly what it cost me purchase till now really. So I mean it's a bit annoying because I can't actually see how much it's going to cost me regarding the M&T, because if there's going to be any extra costs on the M&T, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a nightmare. So that's the reason why I'm going to leave that for another video, because tomorrow when I go for M&T, hopefully it flies through the M&T. The brakes are really good on it. I have walked around it. Tires are perfect. I can't see this car needing anything because it works. Everything works. There's no noises. It drives amazing. Drives in a straight line. So yeah, I can't see it needing anything for the M&T. So fingers crossed, ball joints and everything like that is all legit. But for now guys, let me get home, get this car cleaned up, and I'll upload this video today. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you like, subscribe and share. And thanks again for watching guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.